Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by securing access. You need admin rights on the machine and another device to retrieve the key. Once powered on, choose how you save the 48-digit BitLocker Recovery Key, Microsoft account, USB, printed copy, or Active Directory. If using Microsoft account, sign in at account. Microsoft. COM on your phone or another computer. If using an organization, contact IT or check Azure AD/AD attribute. Make sure to copy the exact 48 digits before proceeding. Once you have the 48-digit key, return to the locked PC and type it into the BitLocker recovery screen. If you stored the key on a USB drive, insert the drive and select the option to use it, then press Enter. You must enter the digits exactly. An incorrect digit prevents decryption. If the system accepts the key, Windows will decrypt the drive enough to boot. Make sure to note where this key is stored now that you've regained access. After you boot back into Windows, save the recovery key to multiple secure locations: Microsoft account, a USB, and a printed copy. Then open BitLocker settings to re-enable, suspend, or back up the key to your account so you avoid repeating this. If the recovery key is rejected, double-check each group of digits and any hyphens, try alternate storage locations, and confirm you're using the key tied to that specific drive. If issues persist, contact your IT admin for the Active Directory stored key.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.